hear me out. I did not vlog today. Y'all, for good reasons though. I took more pictures than like vlogging today. And I think I did like some short form content as well. But I didn't like vlog in the sense of, oh yeah, I'm supposed to be capturing content for my video diary. I didn't do it. I was more present than anything, so I apologize. But this is gonna be like a recap. So this morning I woke up. I edited yesterday's video diary. I went ahead and did some work, and you know what? I had a pretty productive morning. Very productive. I did some work, posted on social media, did a lot of engagement, connected with my coaching students, a lot of good stuff I did. And then I had breakfast from this local cafe. I forgot the name, but it was pretty good. I had a hot matcha latte, and I also had a turkey and avocado croissant. Delicious. 10 out of 10. The matcha though, I give it like a 6 out of 10. I make better matchas. But after that, what did we do? Oh, after that, I chilled outside in the back, and then we headed out. My brother's fiance and I, we went to like the store, ran a couple errands, and then we had lunch at this restaurant called Bluefish Sushi, and we enjoyed their happy hour. I had I was gonna say caviar. I had the calamari and Brussels sprouts and miso soup, and it was delicious. She had the like the wraps, the chicken wraps, where you can create your own wraps with the lettuce. Oh, the chicken lettuce wraps, lettuce, noodles, all that kind of stuff. She said it was really good, and she also has ceviche. So then shortly after that, I went and connected with the rest of the fam. I saw the rest of my nephews, my niece, and we went to one of my nephews' soccer practice. It was a vibe. The weather was beautiful. It was kind of rainy and overcast earlier today, but later on, towards the evening, it started to get like real sunny and really pretty outside. So that was nice. But we hung out outside, and then afterwards, we went and ran a couple more errands and got some food again. And it's so funny because I'm like, yo, so I had got me some Chipotle a few hours ago, and as I'm eating Chipotle, I'm like, I didn't even need this. Like, I'm not even that sleepy. I mean, clearly I'm sleepy, y'all. I'm really trying to do this recap before I lay down, because y'all know I'm committed. But I was like, I'm not even that hungry. Like, I really could have sufficed with just like a snack and a kombucha, and I would have been perfectly fine. But I just had to get Chipotle, and I didn't even eat all of it. I literally had like more than half of it left before I tossed it out. And I'm so tired of Chipotle giving me those stale chips. Can we go back to the original style of the Chipotle chips? I don't know if y'all did it like fresh, homemade, whatever, but they are thin, crispy tortilla chips. That's what I like. I don't like all that other stuff that they've been doing lately. I don't like it. I'm tired of it. So yeah, I was experiencing that. Like, why did I even get this freaking Chipotle? I didn't even want it like that. And then my brother's fiance, she had, I think she had ordered like Sonics. Yeah, she had Sonics, and she was like, it wasn't hitting like I thought it was. It didn't give her that fast food satisfaction. So it was just like, we both looking at each other like, we didn't even need it. We didn't even need it. I feel like what I've been doing so far, and I've only been here for a full 24 hours now, or over 24 hours, going on 2 days, but I feel like I just been eating, and it's Tuesday, and I drunk. I had a sangria today, which was delicious, by the way. A sangria today, and yesterday I had this other drink. It's called a misorana, something. Both delicious drinks. But what am I doing drinking during the week? Like, that's not how I usually am, but I ain't mad at it. It's a vibe. It's not like I'm getting drunk. I'm just having like a nice drink. So anyways, I'm saying all that to say, right now, I don't even know what time it is, y'all, but I just got out the shower. Okay. I just got out the shower, and you know, like after you get out of the shower, your body just starts to feel more relaxed, and you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. That's exactly what my mood is. I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. So good. And I'm looking forward to it, for real. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and tomorrow I'm going with the flow, but I know for sure what I will be doing is going on a hike. I need to get the cardio in, for real, if I'm going to be eating the way that I'm eating. Like, it just has to balance out. It has to make sense. It does. It has to make sense. But I'm loving it. Phoenix is a whole vibe. I'm trying to understand like what's really going on, because everywhere we went today, people were outside. And I'm like, don't y'all have work? Don't y'all have school? Like, what's going on? Like, people are outside. But I like it. I really like the vibe here. I really do. So starting tomorrow, is supposed to get back to being super hot here, and for the rest of the week, like regular Phoenix weather. So I'm really looking forward to that, because I didn't come here to be feeling like I'm in Chicago. I came here for the sun, for the vibes, and to really just like enjoy nature the way I want to enjoy nature. So that pops off tomorrow. But I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm finna get myself settled, and then we are out for the count. So forgive me, y'all. And by the way, y'all probably gonna see these same pajamas for the rest of this video diary series while I'm here in Phoenix, because that's the only pajamas I packed, and these are my faves. So argue with your mama, not me.